Mommy.
You got an owl?
I did.
Oh, poor baby.
Are you taking video? Yep. I'm taking more of a taking volume. No. No.
What are you working on?
Hat.
A house?
Baby hat.
A baby house? Nice job.
I'm adding some nice fresh grass. See? There's some grass.
Don't dig up the grass.
I'm not. It's on the rock.
Leave it alone, Chayton. Chayton, leave it alone. It's broken.
Whoa! That was huge. Maybe I can chip. Mom. Maybe I can really chip it.
Leave Grandpa's tree alone.
No.
That's Grandpa's tree.
No. Chayton, help me rebuild this house. Huh? We gotta put a whole lot of snow on it. Huh? Huh? Make a nice flat roof to make a condo. Not like that, Shay. Chayton, move. Let me make you. Oh, you're stepping on something. Move, Chayton. Chayton!
Say, excuse me.
Chayton, can you move? No. Come on, then.
Ethan, no.
Chayton!
Leave him alone. You
Move! I'm trying to put snow on it.
you asked him to come help you.
I'm gonna shovel snow on you and bury you.
Ethan, stop.
Okay, fine. Move, Chayton. Chayton, move so I can sit on it. Fine then, I'm gonna sit on your structure. Or maybe kick it down. Want me to kick it down? No. Then get off mine. Chayton!
He fell. Don't. Ethan.
Go. You bad, Chayton. You are bad, you. I say bad. I double. Dumbo.
Is his brother a Dumbo?
Double. No, I double.
You're going to kick it down? Why are you kicking it?
I know.
You don't know. Sit on it like a horsey.
Yes.
Sit on it.
No. The inside of the RV.
It's locked. I can put the outside on the video.
Okay. Not right there.
Oh, there's your horsey. Whoa! Who fell down?
Huh?
Who fell down?
Me.
Yay!
Is Will gonna come up today?
I don't know.